Astro Man. Yeah, let me get up to the spot up here, I'll pull up.
My turn.
Tell him pull up a little bit more.
No, after him.
There's a little tricky spot up here, guys. We have to go real slow. With all this ice, it's going to make it a lot more.
Just do it. Floor.
This is where I had trouble last time. Getting my wheel up out of the groove. This is where Brian broke his new JK.